Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be installing a new 2020 red and black Alcantara steering wheel. This is the steering wheel that comes with the 2020 Type R, so I thought it would be a nice upgrade from what I have. So let's get started. First step is removing the airbag, and I'm going to use a T30 hex socket. Alright, so basically there's a screw on each side of the airbag. There's one right here, and then the same thing on the other side. Alright, so both screws are out. The airbag should just pop right out. Okay, so now I have to disconnect all the connectors here. There are 3 connectors, 1, 2, and then that white one over there, and then 1 ground wire. So the next step is to unscrew. This is probably the hardest part. I was finally able to break it loose. Alright, so now I have to unscrew 5 Phillips head. I'm transferring all of the trim pieces from this older steering wheel to the new one. Once you get the Phillips screws out, flip the steering wheel over and pull on this piece. It should come right out. Keep in mind that there are 2 connectors that you need to disconnect. One right here and this one. So this next part is kind of tricky. You have to be very careful not to break this trim piece. Just slowly push downward. Then I'm also using this pry tool to pry open these areas. Be very careful with this. Take your time because it can easily break. Now I'm transferring this trim piece to the new steering wheel. Just doing the step in reverse. Next is this trim piece. Just line up these 3 prongs with 3 holes right here. Now putting this back piece on and reconnecting the connectors. A minor hiccup, guys. This trim piece actually didn't line up properly the first time, so I'm having to redo this. Make sure these 2 ends meet the holes over here. I totally overlooked that last time. So. Alright, we're almost done here. And already looks so much nicer. It also has a better grip.